Professor Antonio Contreras, during the segment Punto de Vista of PTV's Rise and Shine Pilipinas, reminded senators to be careful when it comes to divulging the names of personalities through the alleged leak information from the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or PDEA. It can be recalled the president and other personalities were included in the supposed list of personalities allegedly being investigated by PDEA. Contreras stated there are laws governing the handling of such information from an ongoing investigation or either a drug or a criminal case. He further explained in both instances, those being investigated have a right to privacy. He clarified the Senate still has the right to conduct an investigation in aid of legislation, but it shouldn't be done in aid of violation.
Sinasabi ko po kanina, no one is above the law and the president is not above the law. But the president could never also be less than it. Okay? So ang dapat dito ay, ano ba talaga ang pamantayan natin? Pwede bang ilabas ang mga pangalan ng mga iniimbestigahan pa lang? Ayon po sa pagsusuri ng inyong propesor, malinaw po na ito ay pinagbabawal sa batas.